know what would be really nice is if we had, and this is under development, in development, if we had a blood test, an antibody test that showed when you are immune to coronavirus, which showed, hey, I got the infection in the past, and now I have these antibodies here that
Right.
demonstrate that
That's
I'm
even back to Doug's
immune.
question. Yeah.
Yeah, that I'm immune, and then I'm safe. I'm not going to give this to somebody. So this 14-day like quarantine, you just talk about that. Number one, think of how many people that's unnecessary for, who don't have it to begin with, and then they're on the bench for 14 days for whatever reason. And then as opposed to knowing, and then there's another set of people who wouldn't need to do it either because they know they're immune and they wouldn't have to do that. So, I mean, it's in the absence of that test, sure, this is kind of like what you're stuck doing, but boy, that test is going to be how we reopen the country.
And I think
that
Stanford
hold your little certificate that says I'm immune. I've had
we're going to see that. That's going to be the next meme that we're going to see across Facebook. It's going to be the I am COVID free.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you want the badge to look like, you laugh, but this is like
no, but it's true.
Dystopian time that we're in. It's just like, it's like, oh no, I'm safe. Look, everybody else is potentially a threat. It's crazy.